Okay, we braved the blizzard to come down by the water. And this is for all our friends and family. If you see this camera drop, call for help. And there's a couple of birds here. I don't know if you can see that. Just above. It's just behind that brush. It's a little hard to see. But there's Julie. Look. It's almost up. It's going to cover her in a minute. Capture that bird. You can see it right now. Poor thing. Struggling. It's very, very windy, as you can see. Here's some of the waves, the water. It's actually pretty cool. There's Julie again. As you can see, visibility is pretty minimal. I hope there's no boaters out there. Birds are having a lot of trouble flying. Here's some of the other houses. There's our house right there. Pretty intense storm. Julie's covered. She can hardly see. Say hi, Julie. Shirley, this is a really big storm.
Call me Shirley.
Haha. I'm a loner, Julie. I'm a loner. Fun. This would be a pretty cool thing to get like once every couple of weeks during the winter. Kind of fun to come out and play. That way, it'd be really cool. Okie doke. Bye for now.